Hey guys, welcome to another Gauging Gadgets review video. In this video we have a 62-inch carbon fiber tripod from GEEKOTO. This is the CT25 recorder. Like I said, one of the main features is it's made out of carbon fiber, which usually is a lot stronger and they say will be sturdier when taking pictures. Another feature is that it can also be used as a monopod, so I'll be interested in trying that out. It's also highly adjustable, so it can be used in different settings and different heights. All that for only about $125 on Amazon, so check the link in the description to find that price. Let's go ahead and open it up and check it out. It comes in a cardboard box, and I like that because you can recycle it. And as you can see, it comes in an awesome nylon carrying case. Very cool, nice GEEKOTO logo. I do want to thank GEEKOTO for sending me this tripod to test. Thank you very much. Alright, so yeah, very nice carrying case. It does have some padding to it, that's awesome. And you do have a strap on the back to carry it with. It's adjustable as well. Go ahead and get this unzipped. Zipper feels very good as well. So everything came out nicely and it's all packaged in a couple bags here. So first impressions, this looks very different than any tripod I've ever seen. Very interesting carbon fiber design, and then really cool accents with the orange color. This looks very nice, very cool looking as well. As you can see on the bottom here, you do have some rubber grips. That'll work very nicely. We're trying to stabilize the tripod. They do have a suede protector on the tripod head. I guess that's to keep out dirt or anything else like that. So as you can see here on the legs, there are 4 different adjustable areas. So this is going to be very adjustable and very large at the same time. Alright, so I decided to move down here to the floor so we can get a better view of it. This is a pretty large product. So as you can see, the tripod folds up very nicely. To use this as a tripod, you need to extend them all the way around like that, and then they kind of lock in. And as you can see, that quickly it becomes a tripod. I do have to say the carbon fiber feels really sturdy, and it feels different than metal. I don't know, I like the feeling of it a lot more than most metal tripods I've tried. So quickly remove this cover on the tripod head and get a look at that. So on top we have the aluminum quick release plates, and this has the standard 1/4 inch connector that basically fits every camera, including DSLRs, GoPros, everything like that. On the top of the quick release adapter there's some rubber grips, and then you have a leveler as well on top of the tripod. And as you can see, you have a knob right here that makes it really easy to move the ball around. You can tighten it down really easily and then it will stay in place. So on the neck right here, we also have a knob for adjusting it. We can loosen that and then bring this up as well. You get probably another foot out of that, and then you can tighten it down and that'll be sturdy as well. And then right here on the base of the tripod, we can loosen this and bring down the neck. So it's very easy to loosen and tighten everything. On the legs here, we could do the same thing. We can loosen them, bring them out, or tighten them down, lock them. So I like that they have different knobs for the different sections of the legs because it becomes really easy to select that section. I have another tripod where you twist the entire tripod legs and then each section will unlock. And it's really hard to get it to unlock specific sections. So this is very useful. You also have the ability to actually remove sections of the legs completely by unscrewing them. So if you wanted to customize the size of this tripod, you could easily do that, or even replace parts of it, which is really cool. I've never seen that on a tripod before. Now the legs here can be locked in at different angles to allow for the tripod to sit lower to the ground. And it's actually pretty easy to do that. You simply put the leg down, pull the lever up, and then you can lock it in whatever position you want. So as you can see now, I have the camera sitting much lower on the ground, covering more area, and this allows it to be very stable on the ground. Very cool. Now one of the cool things about this tripod is it can turn into a monopod. So for the price of $125, you not only get a really nice carbon fiber tripod, you get a carbon fiber monopod as well. And we start turning this into a monopod by first removing the neck and the head at the bottom by unscrewing this bottom portion of the neck, and then unscrewing the knob for adjusting the neck length. The neck should just slide out. Once you have the neck out, you're going to see one of the legs that has this little cushioning on it. It also will say Detachable Monopod. Just start unscrewing that. In the packaging was a bolt with no head on it, and then a nut. This is an adapter. The long side of this goes into the legs of the monopod, and then the remaining side of the bolt goes into the head and neck of the monopod. And then we have the monopod right here with the entire tripod head, nice strap for carrying it, and then you have a good grip on the legs right there, as well as all this adjustable length. So you can get this to be very long. This is where you get the 62 inches of length right here. The actual tripod will only get to 59 inches tall. Another interesting configuration they have with the tripod is to actually invert the head and the neck so that it's upside down. and coming through the bottom. And you do that by just removing the head like you would for the monopod, except that you install the head upside down and then reattach it. Then you can adjust it to even have it lower to the ground, whatever you want, and then there you go. Pretty cool that you have that ability to do that. It's very interesting. I've never seen a tripod that actually can do that. All right, so my DSLR is on the GEEKOTO tripod. It also has a very heavy lens, and it seems to do a good job of handling the weight of the DSLR and not moving. None of the pieces are loose or anything. The ball is very tight for the tripod head, so that means the camera is secure, and it's also very stable. One of the things I really like about the way this is designed is the joints don't have any give to them. They're not flimsy, and the tripod feels very secure when it's in place and you set it up. One of the tripod I'm currently using is just a Amazon Basics, about $50 tripod. It's lightweight, but it also seems very cheaply made. And all of the knobs and everything for adjusting it seem very cheap as well. So that's one of the reasons I like how everything is a knob that you tighten. You can easily be sure that it's tight and it's not going to go anywhere. And then just a little bit of a closer look at the GEEKOTO right here with the DSLR on it. As you can see, very good looking, and everything just seems to be very well made. It also seems like it's kind of meant to be able to be taken apart and maintained if you wanted to ensure that these were lubed up and that they're not getting rusted or anything like that if you're going to have this outdoors, especially since there were tools provided in the box with it. Alright, so that was the 62-inch carbon fiber tripod from GEEKOTO. I have to say, overall, I really like this product. It has a great look to it. I also like that it's made out of carbon fiber, so it's very light and also very durable. I found the tripod to be extremely adjustable and also very stable. Everything about it seems well made and very firm and sturdy, which is really important for any photographer. You don't want to have a tripod that isn't very stable or has loose joints or anything like that. I also like that it can be used in several different ways. It can be used as a standard tripod, it can be used as an inverted tripod, and it can also be used as a monopod, which is awesome if you're traveling, because if you're on the go, you can bring one tripod and have 3 different tools. And then on top of that, you get this really nice carrying case, which does have padding all around it, so it's going to protect the tripod with a very nice zipper as well. If you have any questions about the carbon fiber tripod from GEEKOTO, leave a comment below. I'll get back to you as soon as I can. I'm going to add an Amazon affiliate link to the description so you can find this exact device on Amazon. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up, and please consider subscribing to my channel, Engaging Gadgets, for more gadget reviews and tech tutorials. Thank you so much for watching.